Welcome to this rejuvenating 5-minute yoga break to help you calm your mind and find inner peace. When you're ready, let's begin. We'll lie down on our back with your knees bent and your feet flat. And take a moment to settle into the natural curves of your spine. Feel a heaviness in your hips and tailbone. If it feels good, you can let your knees fall in towards each other. Take one hand to your belly and one hand to your heart. Notice how you feel and what you feel. As you breathe, observe the rise and fall of your belly. Inhale and your belly rises. Exhale and your belly falls. And then see if you can feel your belly and chest rise on your inhale at the same time and fall on your exhale at the same time. And on your next breath, see if you can feel your belly, your chest, and your back all inflate, expanding on your inhale. Belly, chest, and back all deflating at the same time on your exhale. Continue breathing like this. A 3D breath into your belly, chest, and back. Everything inflating and deflating at the same time, as if there was a balloon inside your torso. This breath alone is enough to find a deep sense of calm. So see if you can maintain this breath throughout the rest of your short practice today. One at a time, draw your knees in, holding onto your knees in a full wind pose. Can you feel your 3D breath here? Even with the gentle compression in your lower belly against your thighs. Now draw your legs up towards the ceiling. And if it helps, you can just grab onto your backs of your thighs, or you can do one leg at a time. And try to flex your toes back towards your face, as if you were making a footprint on the ceiling. And then point your toes up to the ceiling, noticing the difference in sensation along your legs. Go ahead and alternate between flexing and pointing, warming up the muscles in your hamstrings, calves, around your ankles, even the front of your feet. And slowly draw your knees back in and roll over onto your right side like you're going to a fetal position. Keep your knees tucked in nice and close and reach your left arm up to the ceiling and then open up into a big twist. And find your 3D breath here, even within the compression of your twist. Inhale and everything inflates and lengthens, and as you exhale, everything deflates and relaxes. One more big breath in and out. Draw your left arm in and roll onto your back. And onto your left side into your fetal position. Keep your knees tucked in close. Reach your right arm up to the ceiling, then open up into your twist. A couple of your 3 deep breaths, delivering so much oxygen to your body. One more big breath in and out. Curl your right arm in, taking your fetal position on your left side, and use your hands to press yourself up to seated. Bring your hands together at heart center, just taking a moment to find gratitude for this short yoga break, this quick moment to find calm and peace. From that place of calm in me to that place of calm in you, namaste. Well done. If you want more nice, quick, short yoga breaks in your life, then I would love for you to check out my BAM Yoga Challenge. It's totally free. BAM stands for Bare Minimum. You get 7 5-minute yoga videos to do each day of the week so that you always have a quick yoga break to do, no matter what day or how busy you might be. So go ahead and try the BAM Yoga Challenge, the free Bare Minimum 7-day yoga calendar, and hopefully I'll see you there. Have a great day.